Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Holly Bishop Yoga. This is an upper body stretch sequence that is going to be perfect for releasing tightness or tension from the shoulders, neck, and upper back. Let's begin kneeling. Take a moment to close off the eyes. Check in on the posture. See if you can lengthen the spine a little. Can you relax your shoulders? Even relax your face and relax the jaw. Take a few deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Now, as you take your next inhale, shrug the shoulders up to meet the ears. Exhale and drop them back down. Again, inhale, shrug the shoulders up. Exhale to release. Once more, inhale, lift the shoulders high. Exhale, let them go. Start to circle the shoulders up and back now. Repeating this movement a few times. Then roll the shoulders forwards a few times. Take a pause and draw a big breath in. And empty all the way out. Rest the arms down by the hips and drop the chin to the chest. Feeling that lovely release along the back of the neck. Visualize breathing space into the neck. Taking a few deep breaths here. Feeling any tension melting away, leaving the body. Circle the right ear to the right shoulder. Starting to feel the left side of the neck beginning to open. Feel free to stay as you are or add the right hand to the left ear and gently stretch the ear to the top of the head. Take a big breath in. Exhale, letting it all go. Release the hand and circle the chin down, and then take left ear to left shoulder. Pause for that release on the right side now. Staying here or adding on left hand to the ear, gently stretching the ear towards the head. Release the hand and lower the chin down to the chest again. And lift through the center. As long as you have a healthy neck, then you can start to lift the head up and back, sending the gaze up towards the sky. Return to center. Let's bring the hands in front. Interlace the fingers. Take a deep breath in. And then exhale to press the knuckles away, straightening the arms, rounding the upper back, spreading the shoulder blades left to right. On the inhale, press the palms to the sky. Exhale, reach the arms forwards, knuckles away. Inhale, palms to the sky. Exhale, rounding the upper back. And release, lower the arms by the sides. We'll take the hands behind the back, interlace the fingers again. Take an inhale and expand the chest. As you exhale, reach the arms back, feeling the shoulder blades drawing into each other and feeling the heart opening. Take a couple of deep breaths here. And release. Ground the right palm to the floor. Take an inhale as you reach the left arm up and over. Breathe that space into the body. Keep the head and neck relaxed here. And just breathe out that tension. Letting it all go. Again, inhaling, inviting space into the side of the body. Exhale, breathing out tightness and tension. And release that arm all the way back down. Ground the left hand down. Inhale to lift the right arm. Exhaling into that side bend. This time, breathe in space into the right side body. As you exhale, set the hand back down. And let's come to all fours. Align the wrists under the shoulders and the knees under the hips. Take an inhale to drop the belly and arch the spine. Exhale, round the upper back, tuck the chin to chest. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Feel the shoulder blades spreading apart. Inhale, belly drops. Exhale, round the upper back. And inhale back to a neutral spine. Start to walk the hands forwards and melt the forehead towards the ground. Release the chest to the floor. Coming into puppy pose. Keep a light activation through the core, so draw the lower belly in and melt the upper body down. Take some deep breaths, feeling that space opening. And just breathe into this beautiful stretch. Bend the elbows and lower to the forearms, coming to Sphinx. Shoulders over elbows, press into the palms and point the toes. Root down through the forearms and lift the heart between the space in the arms. Melt the shoulders away from the ears. Keep the face soft and relaxed. Lower the forehead and interlace the fingers behind the back. Take an inhale. As you exhale, peel the chest up. Inhale to lower. Exhale, lifting the upper body away from the ground. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift up once more. And inhale, relax back down. We'll tent up onto the left fingertips now and extend the right arm long. Begin to rock over to the right hip, right ear and side of the head to the floor. Now you can keep the legs stacked, or for a deeper stretch, take the left foot behind. To go deeper still, take the left hand to reach for the right hand and interlace the fingers. Breathe slow and steady, watching that tension melt away from the upper body. Slowly, we'll come back and switch sides. Coming onto the right fingertips, extending left arm, rocking to the left hip, finding the best variation for you on this side. Maybe step the foot behind, maybe reach the arms to each other. And just relax the face and relax the jaw. Tune back into the breath. Slowly unwind. And bring yourself back to an upright seat. Take an inhale, extend the left arm, place the hand between the shoulder blades. Now take a hold of either the elbow with the right hand, or you can dangle a strap down in the left hand and take the right arm around, reaching for your strap, or maybe reaching for the fingers. Keep the spine long. If you are rounding here to find the arm, take the first option. If you are reaching for your strap or for the fingers, send that left elbow to the sky and the right elbow to the floor. Breathe deeply. Shoulders melt away from the ears. Let's gently release. We'll take it to the other side. So inhale to extend the right arm. Bend the elbow, place the hand between the shoulder blades. Take left hand to the elbow, or using your strap to reach the left arm around, maybe taking a hold of the strap, maybe reaching for the fingers. Last few deep breaths here. If you have gone for the full expression here, then you are sending the elbows in opposite directions. Start to ease out from this pose. Coming to child's pose, rest the forehead to the floor or onto a block or cushion. Take a moment to observe the upper body. Notice how you are feeling. How does the upper body feel? Take a few deep breaths. This practice is complete. Come out when you are ready. Please do drop a comment to let me know how you found this video, and remember to subscribe for more yoga. I hope this has left you feeling more open and comfortable in the upper body. See you next time. Namaste.